Hello team, today's challenge is odd or even day, which kind of resembles a challenge that we just had a couple weeks ago, where we had to get the odd or even, or determine odd or even. Only this time we are taking a timestamp, translating it into a day of the month, and then using that to determine odd or even. Couple loopholes there, but I think we can do this. So over to the code. Right here we have the date. Okay, we need to translate that timestamp into a date so that we can work with it. Doing a little bit of date math, date manipulation. Always tricky business, but you'll see this one works. So we have date, and I want timestamp. Brilliant. Okay. From here, we just want to get that day of the month. Now, this is where it gets really simple because we don't really need anything else other than UTC date. Okay. So if you're using get UTC day, that returns the day of the week. Get UTC date returns day of the month, which is exactly what we want, right? So we go date, get UTC date. Now, why UTC date and not just get date? Well, get date is time zone dependent. And depending on where you are and the time of day, this could fail for that reason. Date math, it's tricky business. But if you are in a place where you're about to switch over, but it's determining the date stamp according to UTC or something like that, then you might be off by one. So get UTC date always returns the right thing, at least in our case, and we can do that. Down here, we use it. So day, this is going to look very similar to previous. So day %2, right? Day modulo 2. If that is equal to 0, then return even. This time they did it lowercase for whatever reason. And right here, odd, and we're done. Okay. Things that I would do different, right? If this was professional code, I would actually take this out, okay? Because this odd or evenness is just a number, right? So I'd probably bump that up and go function, odd or even, just like the previous one. We have that number, and down here we return, not day, but n, okay? Do we want to keep it as uppercase or lowercase? We could, and then we could change it down in here. But for today, we can convert this, comment it out so it's still there, return, odd or even. And of course, what are we doing? Well, we're doing the day, and it still works. This is a little bit more flexible because the odd or evenness, it's just a number, right? We don't need to worry about all that. So I like this solution the best, but it is not the only solution, right? If you found another one that you like even better, please share it in the comments. We'll have those conversations. I really like seeing those. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow.